Welcome to my channel. Today I collected 23 job notification. So let's start. The first one, Department of Post Office, Chhattisgarh, Raipur, and the name of post is General Service and Group C, and the number of vacancies is 10, and last date of submission is 30 January in this month. Then next one is National Craft Museum and Hastakala Academy. There is a vacancy is 7 and last date of submission is extended up to 31st of January. To know more details, you can visit their website. Next is Ministry of Agriculture and Farmer Welfare Department of Agriculture and Farmer Welfare, and the name of the post is Agricultural Engineer, and the last date of submission uh, is up to February March 2022, and the website here www.agricwoop.nic.in, so you can visit into their websites. Next one is Indian Railway Finance Corporation Limited, and the name of post is Hindi translator. For Hindi translator, the vacancy is one, that is for unreserved category. Assistant Finance, two post. Assistant Admin, one post, and the last date of submission is 28th of January. You can visit their website if you are interested to apply. Next is Ministry of Defense, and the name of the post is Technical Officer, and the vacancy is 7. Qualification Bachelor degree in Mechanical Engineering, ECE, Triple E, Marine or Naval Architecture. Next one is South Eastern Railway, recruitment of sports person. Total vacancies 21 and the last date is 2nd of February. Next one is Integrated HQ of Ministry of Defense Army. Name of the post is Deputy General Manager and the number of post here is 3. Next one is Security Printing Press Hyderabad. Name of the post is Junior Technician, 25 post, and for resource management 2 vacancy is there, and the last date of submission is 15th January, and you can submit these things in online mode. To know more details, you can visit their websites too. Next one is National Institute of Pharmaceutical Education and Research, and here they will take lots of faculty. The total number of vacancies 42 for teaching positions, and for non-teaching positions there is 60 vacancy, and the last date of submission is 31st of January, and you can visit their website. Next one is Misra Dhatu Nigam Limited, and the number of vacancy here is 21, and last date of submission is 15th of January, and the qualification is for assistant manager medical MBBS degree, for management trainee BE BTech. Okay. Next one is Negrims, and the post is dental officer one post, for statistical officer one post, medical physicist one post, and the last date of submission is 30 January 2022. You can visit their website if you are interested. Next one is AIMS Bathinda, and the name of the post is faculty. Last date of submission is 15th of January. Next one is Center of Innovative and Applied Bioprocessing, Mohali, Punjab. Name of the post is Chief Executive Officer. For this post qualification, you should have PhD in food technology or in biochemical engineering field. Last date of submission 30 January. Next one is PGIMSRS Medical College, Dental College. So they will take they will take dean. Dean, that means as a vacancy position, and total vacancy here is 11, and the last date of submission is 30 January. Next one is National Highway Authority of India. The name of the post, here I have mentioned general manager. 2 post is there for general manager technical. 6 post is there. Deputy general manager, 76 vacancies is there, and the last date of submission is 4th of February. Next one is National Human Rights Commission. The name of the post is assistant registrar. 2 vacancies there. Last date of submission 30 of January. Next is Directorate General Central Industrial Security Force, Ministry of Home Affairs, and the name of the post is here Head Constable. Vacancy is 249. Last date of submission is 31st March 2022. For Northeastern region, the last date of submission is 7th of April. Next one is Institute of Human Behavior and Allied Sciences. So they will take administrative officer and also assistant engineering. Then total vacancy here is 26, and the last date of submission is 25 January. Then Jeepmar College. So here lots of non-teaching post in group A, group B, and group C. Okay. Next one is Central University of Tamil Nadu. They will take both teaching and non-teaching posts. And last date of submission is 17th of January. So you can visit if you interested to apply. Next one is AIMS Jodhpur. So various faculty position is there. Total vacancy is 84, and last date of submission is 30 of January. Next one is Punjab National Bank. So total vacancy 6 is there. So if you wish to submit, you can visit their website. Next, Artificial Limbs Manufacturing Corporation of India. Total vacancy is 33, and the last date of submission is 18th January 2022. Okay, thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe.